Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Dancehall legend Ninja Man is the latest high-profile figure seeking release from prison under the jurisdiction of Court of Appeal Judge Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, the same judge who recently overturned the convictions of both Vybz Kartel and Mavado's son. Ninja Man legal team is hoping to prove that his case was mishandled and that he too was denied a fair trial. If there is evidence of prosecutorial errors or unfairness in his case, I personally believe those will serve as grounds for his release rather than simply ordering a retrial. Now, Justice Marva McDonald Bishop has made it clear, in my opinion, that she will not let any wrongful conviction stand, and if prosecutors got it wrong the first time, then guess what? Ninja Man case will be thrown out just like Vybz Kartel and Mavado's son, and Jamaica and Dancehall should just brace themselves for Ninja Man return. Let me know if this is a result of Justice Marva McDonald Bishop commitment to justice, or she's just letting convicted criminals walk free. The Don Gargan will return to the Home Circuit Court on June 2nd as his attorney pressed forward with the appeal of his 2017 murder conviction. Attorney Robert Fletcher has confirmed that the case is progressing, but he has remained tight-lipped about the specific legal strategy. However, sources indicate that his legal team is meticulously reviewing trial transcripts, identifying discrepancies, and focusing on conflicting testimonies that could help mount a formidable defense. That means the lawyer is looking at every single detail, every crevice, every corner of the case, and also looking at Vybz Kartel case, Mavado case, to see what they did to make them successful in the Court of Appeal. This appeal, however, suffered a major blow with the sudden illness and death of Ninja Man lead attorney Valerie Nita Robertson, a highly respected legal powerhouse who had been spearheading the case. She fell ill in late 2023 and passed away in February 2024, leaving Ninja Man heartbroken. And of course, I drop a video on that, and again, RIP to Miss Nita. She also represented Vybz Kartel in the past with his Clive Lizard Williams case. Now, in a letter penned from his cell, Ninja Man expressed his sorrow over her passing. In December of last year, we were scheduled for a hearing, and just 2 weeks before, I was shocked to learn that she had fallen ill. Next, she was gone. I am heartbroken because not only have I lost a great lawyer and a friend, but we have all lost a phenomenal woman. Her legacy will live on in those she inspired through her greatness. That is what the Don Gargan Ninja Man said about Miss Nita passing. So right before Miss Nita passing, Miss Nita had firmly believed that Ninja Man conviction should be overturned based on violation of constitutional right to a fair trial. She had long argued that the extreme delays in his case, spanning over 8 years before reaching trial, were a serious miscarriage of justice. There were 17 trial dates and 23 mentions before the case was finally heard, which, according to her, deprived Ninja Man of crucial alibi witness who could have proven his innocence. Without those witnesses, his defense team had to rely solely on discrediting the prosecution's evidence rather than presenting a strong counter narrative. And really and truly, that make a whole lot of sense, because I remember at one point Ninja Man was just off the scene, and then Ninja Man just popped back on the scene again, and later after that, Ninja Man, is sentenced to life in prison, and most people was like, what? All of this don't make any sense. And that is because, as Miss Nita said, the trial, it spanned over 8 years. Can you imagine that? And remember, in Jamaica justice system right now, right, when I forgot her name, the acting DPP at the time when Vybz Kartel was being was at the Court of Appeal release or retrial, she said that she can guarantee a near retrial date when you have people who have them retrial way all the way at 2025, 2026. And people been waiting on them retrials. So is Vybz Kartel that special that you're gonna just, just put him above everyone else. No. So those kind of things were also the reason why Vybz Kartel did not receive a did not receive a retrial. You know what I mean? So of course there are a lot of issues in the justice system, and just like what Miss Nita said, those reasons go against their constitutional rights. And remember, Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, if this is presented to her in front of her, just know that there will be great percentage, probability that Ninja Man will walk free under these circumstances that Miss Nita was pointing out. I kid you not. And again, for those who do not know, the Ninja Man case stems from an incident around, March 2009, in which Ricardo Johnson was shot and killed in St. Andrew. According to prosecution, Johnson was sweeping his yard when a group of men, allegedly led by Ninja Man, drove up. Argument broke out, and after initially leaving, the men reportedly returned with guns and opened fire. One witness claimed that Ninja Man personally fired 2 shots at him, forcing him to flee. The prosecution relied heavily on legal concept of common design, arguing that all 3 accused men, including Ninja Man, his son, and Janelle Bellantine and Dennis Clayton, acted together with the intent to commit grievous harm. Now, despite maintaining his evidence, Ninja Man was convicted and sentenced to life in prison with eligibility for parole after serving 25 years. His son and Clayton also received lengthy sentences. Of course, situations like this, and Ninja Man lawyer Miss Nita, before her passing, again, strongly believed that Ninja Man fame and controversial image in dancehall, may have unfairly influenced the jury, which can go so, because that was the same thing that they use against Vybz Kartel. Them say Vybz Kartel responsible for 100 murder. Them say Vybz Kartel this, them say Vybz Kartel that. And remember, Vybz Kartel went to prison around the time when, Vybz Kartel was Vybz Kartel, controversial artist, all of these other things. So of course, them also used that, and the police did said, and all of the prosecution, all of them, that they are setting an example. You get me? So of course, them can just tie everything together. So Miss Nita argued that public perception played a role in the outcome of Ninja Man case. The jury may have been swayed by his reputation rather than the actual evidence presented to them that is right before them. All right, so just leave your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about this whole thing, if Ninja Man will be released from prison, based on some of the things that we discuss, some of the things that we talk about, some of the points that we made. All right, that's the video for today. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.